Hi, today I want to show you how to change your gear oil or transmission oil on the easiest way on Ford Focus MK3. Uh, in this case, I will use here is because the Ford is not available in my area, so I use this oil is APF TSG, and it's have a Ford specification here. It's WSS M2C test 200 test D2 is for EPS 6 for focus with the dry clutch system. So first of all, what you will need is here is Allen key, is 8 mm Allen key with a ball at the end because it's difficult to access, and if you have this model it's easier way to access it. So first you need to check your car, of course, and dismantle your front tire. And here, as you can see, is the plug for the fill in the, you can see here the plug for fill in the oil, and position is a bit difficult, so that's the reason why I suggest you to use the ball and Allen key 8 mm, of course. It's easier here, so you just put in here, and of course you need the extension because it's will hard to do it. So in this case I just use you can use a short pipe, or I just use, in this case I use another socket key here. So okay, now the second thing is the plug for the drain it the oil. The plug is on the under the transmission. Yeah, I already opened my plug here. It's also 8 mm. It's the same size as for the filling. It's using the 8 mm Allen key. Just exactly here. I already drained my oil in this case, and now the most important thing, I'll show you the easiest way to fill up the hydraulic oil. I mean, to fill up your transmission oil. Instead of using the filling hole, you can use here. If you can see here, there's a breathing hose or venting hose for the transmission. So if you can see here, it's just next to your battery and next to your uh, pump here. Spinach here, as you can see, it's a hose over here, so you can just pull it, this hose. I'll show you. Just pull it, and also here I have a clip over here, so the hose is, the end of the hose is over here. Just unclip here, Okay, and pull out this breathing hose or venting hose. Some people say it's venting, breathing hose. It's the same thing. So here is the breathing hose. The thing is look like it's like this, and as you can see here, it's easy to breathe on. Please be careful when you pull out this plastic piece. And as you can see here, now there's a hole over here, so you can fill up your transmission oil from this oil. It's easier to access. And in my case I just use a simple funnel with a water hose. It's a half-inch water hose and a simple funnel here, and the diameter here is exactly matched to the breathing hole on the transmission side, so it's easier to access it. I'll show you here. The hose is just exactly, the diameter is the same, I mean the water diameter is exactly the same, so it's easier for fill up your transmission oil rather than using the fill up uh, plug. So show you here. It's just plugged nicely on the, as you can see here, it's just plugged nicely on the breathing hole, and also easier for you to fill up the oil rather than using the filling up the hole. So according to Ford, it's around 2 quart. It's mean 1.9 liter, and I will fill up with 2 liter of the oil. And okay, hopefully it will help you to make it easiest way to fill up your hydraulic fluid. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.